Hey friends, my name is Claire. Welcome to my channel, Honestly Ophelia Vintage. I'm a reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Etsy, anywhere where I can take cool stuff that I find at garage sales, flea markets, thrift stores, anything like that. This today is going to be a Goodwill Bluebox unboxing. So hopefully I can make my money back on these items. It's a lot of fun. You don't know what you're going to get until you open it. And this is my first time opening it, still sealed with all of you. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more reselling content. All right, so let's just jump into this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. So I paid $24.99 for this box, and it is a lot of dresses, and they are all size XL, or they are supposed to all be size XL. The dress boxes usually sell out really fast on Goodwill Bluebox, so I was really pleasantly surprised to get one. Ooh, I got something in my eye. Sorry. I don't know how to edit things out yet, so that'll probably still be in this video. Anyways, all right. So let's see if we are gonna be able to make back about $30 total. This is our first item here on the top. It is new with tags, and it is Material Girl, extra large, and it is a cute ribbed army green dress with a little crisscross here at the top. So that's cute. I don't know that that's a great brand or anything, but I think that the fact that it's new with tags helps. Next up we have this long, well, it's not super long, I guess. Probably like knee length. And here is the brand Bisou. This says size 16. This is cute. This time the crisscross goes in the back, it looks like. Kind of a fun summery dress. So that's cute. Next, ooh, we have something very bedazzled. This is White House Black Market, and it says it was originally $138. Yikes. I love that it's new with tags. That is great. It's got some bedazzled stuff here in the front. Cinched kind of waist. Wow, this is hard to show sitting down like this, but oh well, we will make do. I like this cute little kind of peephole in the back too. That's really nice. So far, so good. Okay, here is another new with tags item. This is Nicole by Nicole Miller. It says it was originally $70, and again, this is a size 16. That's a good size. The larger sizes tend to sell well for me. Cute little red cuff sleeves. This feels like it would be so comfy, and then it's got a nice tie waist. So there's that one. Red on the bottom. So far, I'm really happy with this. Okay, here is a new with tags Chico's dress. This is a size 3, and again, this is originally $119, and even when this price was reduced, it was still $69.99. This is a beautiful long navy blue, and my camera doesn't want to show the color real well, but it's a dark blue. It has this side zipper, and it's nice and long. So all these items have been in really good condition so far. No issues that I have seen. All right, so we have another flowy black dress here. This one has an attached necklace, and again, it is new with tags. Let me see if I can figure out exactly how this works. Okay, so it's got these kind of like sheer sleeves on the side, and then it's probably knee length-ish. And this is BCX dress. Looks like it came from Macy's. So that's cute. I like that. Next, we have something kind of lacy going on here. This is another Macy's item, SL Fashions. And it is very cute ruched front V-neck with a long lace skirt. That would be very nice for a party or a wedding. It looks like we are down to the bottom of the box. So this is my last item. And this is Avenue, size 18/20. It is new with tags. And it is patterned, swirly, kind of stretchy feeling dress. Short sleeved, or I guess that would be more like 3/4 length maybe, or something. Try to stand up and show you. So yeah. Okay, that is it for the Goodwill Bluebox. Again, all of those items together will cost about $30. I'm gonna go ahead and count and see how many I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So overall, I'm really happy with this lot. I think that I will do well with these dresses. I think a number of things are working in their favor. Their size and the fact that they're new with tags. Some of the brands are just okay, but they're very pretty dresses. And if you style them nicely on a mannequin, then I'm sure that someone will want to purchase them. So again, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.